I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to do my makeup because I don't have my contacts in, and so I have to like really like look close.
I'm just kind of like hoping it looks good.
But I guess we'll see.
You don't need a wristband.
What's up?
This is the best rapper in Japan. Levi. Lowercase L. Lowercase I.
I can't even do the take a LL because I'm lower little bros L.
Yo guys.
Oh, what's goodies? What's goodies? What is this for?
It's for a vlog.
Hello guys, follow guntai9 on SoundCloud and stuff.
Yo.
Follow guntai9 on Twitter, SoundCloud, YouTube, mixtape coming out.
Take care musically.
What would you say to all the guntai gooners out there?
You can only goon on the weekends. Work to him.
Yeah, guntai9, we're a bunch of gooners.
Except for me.
This guy's the number one gooner.
Brax is the purest one here.
I know. If you go to see Instagram, you know what happened. You didn't see it.
Damn, bro, you're getting blasted out here. What do you gotta say to that?
Cap, C-A-P. Cap.
Bro, kicked out all of them. I'm gonna go back out. I gotta turn up.
It's because every time another artist pull up in this bitch, there are like so many foreigners.
I guess we're going.
Post live.
Like millennial ass pose.
Nah, you look so cute. Get it. Yes. With the starkids towel.
I saw it's a video.
No, you slaying. Yes. Where's your towel, bro?
This is the best.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very versatile, you know, you can use it as a shawl, you can use it as...
Yeah, it's cute.
Everything. I'm not sorry, this is your channel. Yeah. Do that.
It's kind of fire.
It actually is really fire. Like,
There's the new pink one that I want to get. I'm gonna wait until they're giving it away for free.
This shit is 100% poisonous.
Our shit wasn't plugged in, so
My voice is gone.
How you feeling?
Look, now I can sing like 2 hours.
Cool. Yo, we here with Baku. What's up?
Hello, everybody. My name's Baku. I actually wrote the song Paradise Kiss a couple years back, and I sold it to this really underground artist named dazegxd.
This is Baku.
he's a gaijin. He's a gaijin, but he's my gaijin. It's true. It's true.
Wait, I thought y'all were like brothers or something.
We're brothers.
Yeah. I'm from Okinawa.
Brothers from different mother and
It's because like he's my husband and that's my brother, so it's like brother-in-law.
Wait, what?
Every time with this shit, every single time. Take a look at this guy over here. Go interview him. He's interesting. You know, he hit 14 million streams on Paradise Kiss the other day. 14 million
Let's
streams.
fucking go.
He's gonna buy the plaque himself. He's gonna buy the plaque himself.
Hey, everybody that got a plaque, just know they bought it themselves. They don't give it to you. So don't listen to him.
He's lying. He's lying.
Google it.
No, Google it.
Oh, you got a plaque?
Don't believe anything this guy says right here. He's Nigerian, and he's a liar, and he's a scammer.
That's funny. They don't give it to you, bro. What the fuck you just say?
We're gonna get that plaque custom made.
Yeah. Submarine Pussy Exploration.
That's crazy.
It's another one of the songs he wrote.
I love that song.
That song, man.
Yeah.
That's a great song. Honestly, when you drop that shit, I was jumping for joy.
This is bullying. Cyberbullying is not cool. IRL bullying is not cool. Be nice to your friends.
Yeah, fuck you. This guy, he owes me like 40 bands. Let's go over here.
Is that true?
This guy's Noah. He's the camera guy.
But where's the camera in question?
Yeah, that kind of sums it up. What else about it? Let's see here. He's got zero riz.
I gotta go home on Tuesday.
Damn, man, I don't know. Talk to the camera, man. Talk to the camera.
You talk about zero riz coming soon. That's crazy.
Come on. Oh, I gotta see this
Stay
too.
in mind, bro.
It's hot as shit.
Stay in mind.
For real? Let me, bro.
1 million strong.
Alright. No, you take
Is that your 1 million strong?
Yeah, 1 million strong.
I gotta use that microphone.
1 million.
Oh, for real?
Rice is the best.
No, me, we 1 million club, bro. Only 1 million.
Oh, wait.
No 900K, bro. Yeah, no 999K. 1 million. Don't bait that shit. Okay? Do we have the... Yeah, I feel so bad, bro. We're about to... Oh, that hurt. You got it. Unless you can take it. Left. Okay. I didn't bring the car. Oh, you didn't bring the car? I love you, bro. I love you too, Brad. You get mine. What was that for? I think Effie got it.
Damn. Oh, wait. Oh, my God. Wait.
Give it time. Wait, give it. Mine needs time, bro. That shit's stung, bro.
Damn.
If that wasn't Effie, I would have clocked that motherfucker, bro. That shit hurt.
Did that sober you up a little?
Yeah. Alright, wait. How was it? That shit was crazy.
God damn.
That's crazy, bro. That's a love tap. Love tap. Wait. Nah. Yo, social media.
It is currently 4:22 a.m. and I just left the club. I am so tired and my throat is actually killing me right now. Besides that though, I had so much fun. It was literally just like hanging out with friends. So I had a really good time, but I'm so tired and I am ready to just go to sleep. And I don't have much going on tomorrow, so I'm just gonna sleep in so hard. But thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you next time.